Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make buffalo chicken dip in air fryer only way. Preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees F, shred 2 cups of cooked chicken, and combine with 8 Oz cream cheese, 1/2 cup ranch, 1/2 cup hot sauce, and 1 cup shredded cheddar. Mix until smooth, transfer to an oven-proof dish that fits your air fryer, top with extra cheese, and air fry for 10 minutes until bubbly and golden. Start by gathering ingredients and prepping simple components for a fast, hands-off bake in the air fryer. Soften 8 Oz cream cheese at room temperature, shred 2 cups cooked chicken, measure 1/2 cup ranch, 1/2 cup hot sauce, and 1 cup cheddar. Stir everything until evenly combined, press into a small, oven-proof dish, and top with extra cheese. This spreads flavors and ensures even melting and browning in the air fryer. Quick recommendation: if you like bite-sized kitchen wins, please subscribe and like this video to help more people find easy recipes. On another note, I love The Simple Path to Wealth as a thoughtful money book that pairs humorously with baking budget meals. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can explore it further. Enjoy! Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Air frying buffalo chicken dip gives quick browning and intense flavor while staying creamy inside. Place the filled dish in the air fryer basket with space around the edges for airflow. Cook at 350 degrees F for about 10 minutes, then check for bubbling and golden top. Rotate once if your fryer heats unevenly. Let the dip rest 5 minutes before serving to thicken slightly and make scooping easier. Serve with celery, chips, or crackers for easy sharing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.